Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Maria from Underthenightmoon, and I'm here today because I am sitting at my desk working on the most cutest little project ever, and I thought, okay, you know what, this is too cute, I have to share. So what these are little baby notebooks, and let me just show you, because at the Dollar Tree I found a package of 10 of these little notebooks here in their Valentine department, which is positively my favorite time of year, I think. It's fast becoming just so much fun. But anyway, so when I saw them, I thought, oh, what a fun little gift. Use my dies that I have shaped like hearts and cover them for little thank you gifts. So everyone that just purchased from me is going to get one of these cute little books. Aren't they the cutest little thing? I don't know if I'm backwards here. Let me, okay. Anyway, and all I did was cover them. And it's just a fun little, I don't even know. It's just a fun little token, I guess, a little thank you. And so I thought I would show you quickly how I made them because it's so much fun. You guys have to try this. And I did use some of my heart-shaped dies. And if you're not familiar with these, they cut through metal. You can get them everywhere. Hobby Lobby, you can go online and buy them. I particularly love the heart ones because to cut all this would be quite a task, to say the least. And when I saw these little books, I knew right away that the dies that I have would cover them. And also, I just used my scraps. And so you can see here, and let me just show you. I just grabbed a bag of scraps and just started cutting all different shapes and sizes. I did try to kind of keep the colors more or less, you know, in the pink and white-ish family because that's what I like. But there's no rule to this whatsoever. And I even used like a little script. I think book pages would be adorable. I mean, it's just endless. And I could have just sat there and die cut these little things all day. I just had so much fun. But let me show you how quick and easy this is to do, which is really the whole purpose of this video. So for this, I'm using hot glue. Of course, you could use the Fabri-Tac. You could even use a glue stick, although these are metallic. But if you find these at the Dollar Tree, yeah, you can just use any type of glue I think would work. And then what I did was just measured, you know, one that fit. It's not perfect, but that's the beauty of these. And then I just add a little heart-shaped glue, and then I do try to kind of match up the heart, and I will turn it over just to kind of make sure it's balanced. And I'm going by the bottom point here, and then I just flip it over. I do the same thing on the other side. Oops. And again, I'll flip it over, just kind of match it up, make sure that it's more or less like a cute little sandwich. And there you go. I mean, it's so simple. Then you can kind of have fun. And with this, I am not even giving it a lot of thought. I'm just, you know, quickly putting them together. I'm trying not to think too much about it. So I guess when you're choosing your papers, just kind of make sure they all kind of look nice, like here. And then the fun part is you can just start layering these. I'm going to choose this Super Fun, which this paper, I love it, but it's kind of hard to use a whole page of this in a book. But how fun to just use a little scrap on these. It's just perfect. So I just love holding on to my scraps for this reason. And I think I'm just going to put this one on here. And that's that. Isn't that the cutest thing? I just love these for a little thank you. I just think it's a perfect little gift to show your appreciation for your friends, your loved ones. I'm going to bring one over to my niece later just because, you know, it's something cute and fun to do. And then you just add a little ribbon here like I'm going to do right now. Maybe a little ribbon rose, a flower, or you have a little sparkly thing, and voila, it's finished. So again, I just wanted to come on here real quick and share because this is so much fun, and give it a try. And you can use any shape notebook. You can just make this a simple gift tag without the notebook. You can just layer up a bunch of hearts, run a string through it, and you have the cutest little gift tag. So the ideas are endless. Again, I just wanted to show how much fun I was having with all of you. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.